Hello, good morning, guys. This is Abhay again, and today we will discuss about how we can install and download PyCharm in order to do anything in Python programming, Python scripting. Well, PyCharm is the only Python IDE we need. Actually, we have many IDE for executing the Python scripting, but PyCharm is one of the famous one which we are gonna install today. So this is the website. You can check on that. Probably here is a website https://www.jetbrands.com PyCharm download. Once you are into this one, probably you will land up to this page. Well, this PyCharm is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux for all the three platforms. Since I'm going to show you everything in Windows, that's the reason I've clicked on here Windows. Here you don't have to do anything. Whatever is given as by default, just be as it is. See, the download has started. Like I have already downloaded this one, so no need to worry about that. I'm gonna cancel this out. Okay, you just have to click on the download and this download will start. I have already downloaded this in my system, in my laptop. So as you can see here, download is already done. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll just double click on this one. I have to install this. I'll just click on yes. It's pretty simple. Next. Couple of things you need to add here. Click on PyCharm, add bin folder to the path, add this and add this. Click on all the checkboxes and then click on next. Do not create shortcuts. Do not click on this checkbox because I want to create a shortcut. Install and the installation begins. Let's wait for some time and you will see the installation will be completed after few minutes. It will take some time. Okay, and in the meantime you can go to python.org/downloads and you can also click on download Python install manager so that it will install the latest Python install manager in your desktop as well. So here also if you see, I have already downloaded this Python manager 25.2.msix for Windows. Okay, so it is still installing. Okay, so if I click on show details, right, like it will show you in a verbose mode what are the things being installed here. So that's fine. So installation will take a little bit more time than usual because it's a big package and PyCharm is really a superb IDE for executing Python code. So you will see. So I'm gonna pause the video for the time being because it's okay, no need to pause because it don't take much time. Well guys, in this video I'm only going to talk about how you can install PyCharm in Windows in a very easy way, and if you need, then I can also make videos on how to install PyCharm in Mac and Linux. If you put the things in comment that you also want how PyCharm can be installed in Linux, then probably I can make a separate video in that because most of the users are the Windows users, but yes, a few of them use Mac as well as Linux. So for them I can create a separate video. Okay, going forward in this course we are gonna have Thorny, we are gonna have a lot of others, let's say Jupyter ID and all. So slowly we'll be learning everything, so no need to worry about that. So let's start with PyCharm, and then you'd be knowing a lot of other IDEs which are helpful for debugging, which are helpful for troubleshooting. So a lot of stuffs are there. Okay, so we will not rely on only one IDE. Probably we are going to have a lot of IDEs in future which we are going to use. So let's say it's about to complete. It really feels good when you see something running like this, extract, output folder, these, that. So they are just setting up the environment, everything on its own. And remember one thing, guys who have already PyCharm installed, they have to upgrade the PyCharm. You got the point? You have to upgrade the PyCharm. Okay, don't be in the backdated version of the PyCharm, because a lot of things are there which will not which will not work if you are using the backdated PyCharm. So remember this thing. Okay. For the beginners, it is very easy how to install a PyCharm in Windows. Just a click and it will be installed. It's pretty simple. So in this video, we will be only seeing how PyCharm can be set up and installed. Run PyCharm. You have seen this one, right? So you just have to click on this checkbox, finish. It will take a bit time. Yes. 2025.3. This is a version of the PyCharm from JetBrains IDEs. If somebody asks you which version of PyCharm you are using, then you can say 2025.3. Okay. So it is creating an environment in the backend. See, it is loading all the plugins, everything it is required. You do not have to do anything. You just have click next, and the things will happen automatically. Now PyCharm is ready for me. As you can see, there's a 12 version, so no need to do anything over here. The 30 days of 12 version left. Forget about this for the time being. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I have to click on new script. I'll click on new script, and you see here it is giving me an option: no Python interpreter found on your system. Do you want to install the latest Python? I just have to click yes. I want to install the latest Python interpreter. Now see, if you see here, downloading 29.9 MB, Python 3.14.0, AMD64.exe. So Python installer, a Python interpreter will be installed automatically by the PyCharm itself. You do not have to go and search in the internet in order to download and install the latest version of Python. Okay. So it is installing Python 3.1.40. Probably in a couple of minutes this installation will be done. Now if you try to install Python, then what happens? Separately you have to download and install Python. Then you have to go and add the path in the like installation path in the path directory or path folder in Windows. A lot of things you need to do, but here you do not have to do anything. Everything will be done by the PyCharm itself. The only thing is you just have to go for the click. Okay, so installation is happening. We'll wait for some time. Once installation is done, then we'll continue. It's pretty easy. See what is happening. It is preparing the environment in the backend. That's the reason it is taking time. Okay. Earlier it was like this, so you never know what is happening in the backend. So if I drag and drop in here, then probably you will see it is preparing an environment. Okay. So you can see something has opened up here. So I'm just gonna select all and press the delete button to delete everything. Now the name of the script is script1.py. .py is nothing but the Python extension. Let's say when you go and write a C program, then you have .c, right? That extension of the script or a programming language. The same way in Python we have .py. Okay. So this is the Python PyCharm environment IDE. Just giving an example whether it works or not. Well, hello world. It's a simple stuff. And let me click on this. This is a run button, and let me check whether this is working properly or not. If I click on the run button, I could see here It's asking for enter my name. It is updating the skeleton. So let me stop this one. It is still updating the skeleton here, you see. Okay. You know why it is asking for enter your name? The reason is before this installation I already installed and uninstalled it, and in my previous project I did something there it was asking for enter your name, so it is taking the things from the previous project. So what I can do, I can click on here and I can select current file. You got the point? From the drop down I can select current file. Remember, this should be always current file. Okay, hello world, did you see that? It's showing hello world now. It means it is working properly. I'll be explaining you in the another video that what is print, what is hello world and everything, so don't worry about that. I was just checking whether my PyCharm is working properly or not. Yes, my PyCharm is working properly, so I can close everything from here. I can click on new script again, and here again this one, select all, good morning. After good morning it should be current file. Okay, it should be current file, and then you see good morning is getting printed out here. It means my PyCharm is working properly without having any problem. So guys, thanks a lot, and I hope you have installed the PyCharm in your system without having any problem. And probably in the next video we'll be learning what is Python variable, what is Python string, and other stuffs. Okay, so for the time being, thank you.